Alright, you guys, today I will show you how to set up the Robinhood app and go over some features of the app and give you my review and thoughts and opinion about Robinhood and my experience with it. I will be showing you how to set it up on my phone. You are more than welcome to follow along on a smartphone or on a computer. It will be practically the same process. If you are using a smartphone, you will first need to go to your app store and download the Robinhood. The link will be in the description if you need it. You can also use my referral link, which will also be in the description. If you do this, you'll be able to claim a free stock when you sign up. I highly recommend using a referral link. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and click the sign up process right here. All right, so we're going to create our login. So first, you're going to use your email address. You're going to type that in. Alrighty, and the next thing you're going to do is choose a password for your Robinhood. Alrighty, now it's going to ask you your legal name on your government ID, first and last. Alrighty, so it's going to ask you to verify your identity, put in your phone number, it's going to ask us to verify our phone number. I'm going to send a text message to myself. And we will receive a code, which you will input the code. All right, phone number verified. Ask us our date of birth. Our address. Well, before I continue, you guys are going to be asked several personal questions: address, social security, and I know this is a very big deal for people, but this is a very normal process for every brokerage account you're going to open. A KYC, this is all KYC verification, because at the end of the day, Uncle Sam needs his tax money to be able to track all your spending as well as your capital gains. But this is a very normal process with a brokerage account. And if you do not provide this information, you will be unable to sign up. But Robinhood is a very safe platform as far as I know, and you have nothing to worry about with your information being stolen or possibly being misused. So let me fill in my home address. Now it's going to ask you, are you a citizen? Which I am. And like I was saying earlier, this is just to verify your identity. Your social security will be required. Now here it's going to ask you if you want to open a crypto account. If you do want to delve into crypto, then you can go ahead and open a crypto account, or if you're just looking to only trade stocks and option trading, then you can just decline and only open up a brokerage account. If you were to decline, I'm pretty sure they give you an option where you can open a crypto account later in case you do change your mind. But for now, I'll just say yes, I want to open a crypto account. Now they ask us a few personal questions. And these are just pretty much questions that they're just trying to gauge on your level of experience, of how much, if you have any experience as an investor, and this will probably help them personalize some features for you a little bit. Just answer to the best of your abilities. There's option trading right here. For those who want to delve into option trading, you can click yes, and for those who don't really want to option trade, you can click no. Again, this is all based on you. Now it's going to ask you if you're employed, unemployed, retired, or student. Click the one that applies to you. Same thing, just click another question that applies to you, yes or no. For this one is no. Does also not apply to me. All right, we're going to be reviewing some agreements. There's also for all your tax information at the end. Accept. You're going to review. Submit application. And review. And then you'll be clicking submit. Alrighty. And now the next thing we will do is link our bank account. So you can actually be able to fund your account and start trading right away. So link my account. You will click continue. Robinhood uses Plaid. This is a third party that pretty much helps you connect Robinhood and your bank account without Robinhood actually storing your information of your bank account. And you will just choose whatever bank that you bank with. Pretty much just enter your username and password that you'd use from your bank. In this case, for me, it would be Bank of America. So I'd use the same username and password that I use on my Bank of America to log in and put it right here. And then you press submit, and then it will link your bank account together. You will be sent an email by Robinhood. It does take 24 hours, I believe, for them to verify your information before you can actively start using your Robinhood, because obviously they need to verify all the information you gave them, the social security and everything, before you are able to start trading. Okay, now that we have signed up and have logged in, this should be your home screen right here. It's going to show currently how much your balance is and your buying power. Right now I have no funds obviously in this account, but you could always add funds right here by clicking add funds button, or you can always back out, go into your buying power and deposit funds from there if you already have your bank account linked. What I really like about Robinhood is its interface. It's really clean and it's really easy to maneuver. Some of the other apps I've seen, I would say, kind of have a lot of clutter, and it makes it just sometimes hard to maneuver and see where you're navigating. You can go right here on the search button and you can just look through. It has the latest news of what's going on in the world that's affecting the markets. It's always a great way to kind of get some information where the state of the market is, what's the next thing to impact it, and just stuff, if you're not really someone who goes out of your way to do research, you just open up your app right here and you can just go through and they kind of give you some really nice articles to look at of what's going on in the world. You can always right here search anything that you want to invest, such as stocks, crypto, or ETFs. For this instance, you could say Starbucks. That's if I want to invest in a Starbucks company. And here's a Starbucks stock. And you can see what's currently trading. And it can show you right here 1 week, 1 month, 3 months to 1 year. You can kind of see where the overall price has been throughout the year. You can go further down. It lets you know about Starbucks and gives you some basic information about it. Its stats, news, anything that you want to see, analytics. You can always go right here to trade if you want to trade options with it, or if you just want to buy one Starbucks stock. If I want to buy one, you could put how much money you want to put into this stock. If I want to put, say, $10, go review. Well, I can't do it right now, so I have to make a deposit, but pretty much you get the idea. And then you have right here your messaging tab, where it's pretty much Robinhood messages you all your trades that you do. I got a few already that's I've been doing with option trading and other stuff in general, ETFs. And then right here you can click on your profile, and it can actually give you an idea of how your portfolio looks, stocks broken down, crypto, ETFs, options. And I just really like the way they kind of have it all organized. It makes it really easy for you to just see everything. You can tab right here. You can just click down from investing, your first tab. And right here, they have a really nice feature that I like. If I can find it. Oh, okay, right here. Enable dividend reinvestments. I believe that's a feature called Drip, where pretty much you're able to, if you own a dividend stock and it's paying you out in dividends, you're able to, this feature allows you to enable all your dividends that's being paid out. Instead of going to your bank account, you can reinvest those dividends right back into the same stock that you have. And I really like that because it just automatically kind of does it for you without you having to think about it, and you're just reinvesting. And that's the whole thing about it. You want to reinvest that compounding interest, and it builds over time. So that's one feature I definitely like that you can do with it. You got right here transfers tab. You can transfer money, schedule automatic payments, and then yeah, you can withdraw your money. It already shows you you can add more bank accounts. I already got a bank account linked right here, my Bank of America. And yes, it just gives you a transaction history. The really cool thing I will say also about Robinhood is that they're pretty good when it comes to taxes. So when it comes time for your taxes, you will get all the proper tax information from them. So that's something I really do like, that you don't have to scramble around and try to keep track of all your, all your transactions and everything. They kind of do it for you. You got your statements, like I said, your tax statements and everything right here, tax documents. So yeah, and then brokerage account statements. You got your securities right here. I highly recommend you do your two-factor authentication. You do turn that on, and just in general, try to make sure you have all the privacy that you can have on, because again, this is your money and it further secures your assets at the end of the day. And yeah, you can always close your Robinhood if needed to, if you are actually done with it. There is a way, if you go on your settings, and let me see right here, you can deactivate your account right there on the bottom. If you, for whatever reason, change your mind and you don't want to use Robinhood no more, just make sure obviously you withdraw all your money out, and they will probably ask you that to as well. They'll probably give you a notification to make sure you withdraw all your money first, and then you can deactivate your account if you're unsatisfied with Robinhood in any way. And yeah, that's my overall review on this app. I really like using it because I can pretty much purchase my crypto. It has a selection of crypto. Actually, let me see if we can go through that. Right there, crypto. Just want to show you guys really quick the selection they got. They got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. They don't have a whole bunch, but you know, if you're just trying to dive into crypto a little bit, this is the list they have right here. So yeah, it's like I said with Robinhood, I like that you can option trade with them as well as trade stocks, and you can even dive into crypto a little bit with them. So I do actually like that, as well as ETFs as well, and index funds. So yeah, that is something I do like about Robinhood. They give you quite the selection to choose from when it comes to investing. And it's a very clean interface, like I said. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you guys can always leave a comment on the bottom. I will try to answer to the best of my ability if you guys are having any type of trouble. I know there's sometimes here and there some technical difficulties, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.